What is up guys, I'm back again with another video, and in today's one what we're going to do is we'll be learning how you can make outline effect in Krita for your graphic art and artwork coming up. So before starting off with the video, I just wanted to mention that if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing because we are very near to our 1k subscriber milestone. And also if you're interested in similar sort of mini tutorial videos or full course for Krita beginners, I will be providing a link in the description as well as a screen card over here somewhere. So yeah, without wasting any more of your precious time, let's get started. So here we are at the latest version of Krita with us, and we are having here two layers. First of all, the first layer is the main character layer for which we want the outline to be there, and the second layer is the background layer. Even if you don't have this, it doesn't matter. I have this just to make sure the outline is looking good and is visible. For our main layer, the layer we want the outline for is supposed to be a PNG image. So if you're downloading it, make sure that you download a PNG file, or even if you're creating your own image, make sure that it has a sort of transparent background with it. So the first and the only thing you're going to do is go into your image, your main image, the PNG image you want outline for, and just right click. You will be getting a lot of options over here. Go at the top, click to the layer style settings. So over here, everything you will be needing to manipulate the settings of your outline, your glow effect, your shadows is present over here. So at the bottom left hand corner, you will be getting a stroke option. Just tick it and just click it, and you will be having a lot of options to manipulate your shadows, not shadows, your outlines. So what you can do is over here you can change the size, you can change the opacity, you can change how your outline is looking, and even other settings like colors as well. So in case I want a red sort of outline, I can use that as well. Or even if I wanted my shadows to be inwards instead of outwards, it can do that as well. Obviously, I don't see any need of doing that in this particular case, but if you want to, you can do that as well. So if you like the video, you can press the subscribe button because we are very near to our 1k subscriber count or milestone. So make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so that you don't miss anything, any future updates. You can comment down if you have any video ideas, comments or suggestions. I will definitely be answering you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Until then, peace.